The story of human evolution is a captivating journey that reflects the interplay between our biology and the environments we inhabit. It begins in the warm cradle of Africa, where our earliest ancestors, Homo sapiens, emerged with dark skin. This pigmentation was not only a defining characteristic, but a crucial adaptation to the intense sunlight of the equatorial regions. Dark skin acted as a natural barrier against ultraviolet, UV radiation, protecting the body's most vital genetic material from damage. This protection was essential for maintaining folate levels, a nutrient that plays a critical role in reproductive health and cellular functions. Without sufficient folate, the risks of neural tube defects and other health issues increase, underscoring the importance of this adaptation in the survival and propagation of early human populations. As these early humans ventured out of Africa, they encountered various climates, each with its own challenges and resources. The migration led them to regions where sunlight was less abundant, particularly in northern latitudes. In these areas, the evolutionary pressures shifted. Lighter skin began to emerge as an adaptation that allowed for increased absorption of sunlight, which is essential for the synthesis of vitamin D. This vitamin is crucial for bone health and immune function, and its deficiency can lead to serious health problems, including rickets in children and osteoporosis in adults. Thus, the change in skin pigmentation from dark to light was not merely a cosmetic shift. It was a vital response to the environmental demands of different habitats. This phenomenon of skin color adaptation is a brilliant example of natural selection at work. The variations in skin tone across populations today reflect thousands of years of evolution in response to geographical and environmental factors. In regions with high UV radiation, darker skin continues to provide protection, while lighter skin is advantageous in areas where sunlight is scarce. This dynamic illustrates the remarkable capacity of human beings to adapt to their surroundings, showcasing the intricate relationship between our biology and the world we inhabit. Moreover, the narrative of skin color transcends mere biology. It is intertwined with the history of human migration, social structures, and cultural identities. Each skin tone represents a unique story, a testament to the resilience of our ancestors who navigated the challenges of their environments. As we explore the rich tapestry of skin colors present today, we recognize that this diversity is a celebration of our shared humanity. It is a reminder of the common threads that connect us, despite the superficial differences that may divide us. In contemporary society, understanding the historical context of skin color can foster a greater appreciation for the beauty of human variation. It emphasizes that our differences are not just skin deep. They embody a legacy of adaptation, survival, and interconnectedness. By acknowledging the evolutionary journey that has shaped our skin tones, we can cultivate a sense of unity and respect for one another. This understanding encourages us to look beyond the surface and recognize the shared experiences and struggles that define the human condition. As we reflect on the evolution of skin color, we are invited to celebrate the myriad hues that grace our planet. Each shade is a chapter in the ongoing story of humanity, echoing the resilience and adaptability of our species. Embracing this diversity enriches our understanding of ourselves and our place in the world, reminding us that we are all part of a larger narrative, one that speaks to our origins, our journeys, and the enduring connections that bind us together in this intricate tapestry of life.